How to turn clothing photos into AI mannequin shots for fashion brands. In this video, I'll show you how fashion brands can turn simple clothing photos into premium mannequin product shots using AI. No studio, no photographers, no ghost mannequin production. Just upload your clothing and get clean, realistic product images for Shopify, Amazon, Instagram, ads, and catalogs in minutes. Now let me show you exactly how it works. First, we select the Ghost Mannequin workflow. Next, upload your clothing image. This can be a flat lay photo, a product shot, or even an image taken with your phone. Then, choose the mannequin style that best fits your brand. Right now, the platform supports Ghost Mannequin mode. More mannequin styles and body options will be available in future updates. Next, we select the garment angles we want to generate. Then we review everything one last time to make sure it looks right and click Generate. And within minutes, you get clean, realistic mannequin product photographies. You'll see two versions of every generation. First, post-productions, where Apiway automatically turns it into clean, white studio product photography, including background cleanup, lighting adjustments, and color correction. And second, the original AI output, straight from the model. If you're a fashion brand, marketer, or e-commerce team, check out Apiway and start creating AI fashion content today. Link in description.